Held on 20 and 21 February at Summer Place in Hyde Park, the ITWeb Governance Risk and Compliance Conference showed delegates how to turn risks into results through effective GRC management. In today's complex business landscape, organizations need to be prepared, vigilant and compliant or face disaster. Featuring thought leaders and experts in the GRC space, the event championed a robust strategy as the key to achieving transformational initiatives and ensuring long-term business growth.
GRC in any organization is an important factor. I think there's a key component between understanding good governance, risk and compliance and also ethical business behavior. Over the last couple of months in our organization and especially in South Africa, we've seen how good governance and compliance has affected many companies publicly and privately. So this event draws people from all over to understand exactly how we can take GRC and create sustainable business practices within our own organizations.
And the networking opportunity is obviously to find similar people in the industry, understand what they're doing, and then to compare notes on how things are best done. To see the market participants in helping organizations get guidance and providing them with some insight into what the opportunities are based on a relationship, based on technology that is available in order to deliver that, as well as trying to find the partners in the marketplace which will help you achieve your goals.
So risk mitigation compliance is obviously critically important, especially when we're in a world that is moving towards more digital businesses. Businesses are facing changes in regulation, changes in technology, and the ability to actually manage and mitigate risk in that completely changing and evolving landscape is super important. I think the golden rule when it comes to governance, risk and compliance is that even in a world where organizations are moving certain functions into the cloud, outsourcing other functions, the key issue is you can outsource the activity, but you can never outsource the risk and the ownership of that risk.
Risks are pervasive in every single organization, and if we're not taking steps to identify those risks and then further steps to actually mitigate them, then we're not holding the offices that we were appointed into within organizations. These topics that are being covered this year by the event are very relevant. They are important in terms of what's happening in the news, in our environment, in our markets. POPI, GDPR, data privacy, 100% topical, very relevant. Third-party risk, the next big thing. These are all relevant for risk professionals to educate themselves and keep learning, and that is why I believe the event has had such a good turnout.